Hello guys, in this video let us check out the invisible shield, privacy and clear glass for the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro. So I have privacy glass and the clear glass. You can pause the video and read the more features. So this is the clear glass. This is the glass light anti-glare. Let me just install the clear glass and show you. Both the privacy and this glass like clear glass have same application how to install. You can see it's anti-glare technology 5x stronger than a traditional glass. It says protect your phone better. Opening up, it's a very nice packaging and quite intuitive. Opening up, you can see we have the tray in which you keep your phone. This is the user manual on how to do it. It's pretty straightforward. Just clean up your phone screen, put up the glass and just press it hard and remove it. So we'll just put up the glass. So the glass is inside this envelope. This is the glass that we have here. We have the phone that I put in the tray. Now align the glass on the top of the phone. You can see now the bubbles are coming out slowly. You can see, just touch it, just slowly touch it, and within a few seconds all the bubbles will go out. Once the bubbles are go out, make sure that phone is working fine. Now you can remove the top part of the glass and you can see we have removed it. Now the glass has been applied properly and it sits quite well. It's very smooth and overall touch sensitivity is also nice, so you just don't feel like you have installed a glass at all. And this also is quite hard and protects from harmful rays. So you can see all the glass, it's applied properly and you can see the edges. We have a nice edge to the glass. Because that was a really quick video of the privacy shield and the clear tempered glass for iPhone 13 Pro from Gear 4. If you want to purchase it, link to same will be in the description. Thanks a lot for watching guys. I will catch you guys soon in the next video.